So, Biskut, I see you're wearing a special shirt today. Let's take a look at that. What special day's coming up?
Valentine's Day!
That's right! Now, do you have a crush on anyone in your class?
No, I don't have a crush.
Does anyone have a crush on you?
Well, maybe.
Ooh, so do you have a boyfriend you want to spend Valentine's Day with?
No way.
Why not?
Because I don't want to share my food.
Now, I hear you have a special message for everybody about the importance of kindness. What's your message, Biskut?
That you should treat other people just like I've been treated before. Not the bad, but the times I've been good treated.
Aw, okay. Well, can you give a special goodbye message to all your good treated fans for Valentine's Day?
You bet.
Okay, say, really excited, Happy Valentine's Day!
Really excited, Happy Valentine's Day. That's a really weird message.
Okay. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And remember,
I love you so much!
good job. Well done. Well, folks, the Krikut Chronicles merch has arrived. As you can see, my shirt, Biskut's shirt, and I even have a sweatshirt. Lots more choices on the Spreadshirt website. So we'll put the link in the description. Just check it out there. And we'll see you next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.